Today I'm heading towards the Murgani Park and thanks Andy uncle to suggesting me this topic. Wait for it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Wings and Wheels with Ash. Do you know that the world's fastest car is Koenigsegg Jesko? It catches the speed of 531 km per hour. It is always faster than our railways, but it is slower than our aeroplanes. Aeroplane catches the speed of 600 km per hour. You must be wondering what I'm doing on cycle today. Today I'm talking about the gears. Have you ever wondered what happens if you shift gears in a car? It feels like magic, right? It's not magic, it's science. Today we are breaking down the history about how the gears work, how not to break them. Do you know that gears are ancient? Before 2200 years ago, Greeks used a bronze gear to make a mini computer. It literally tracked the stars. Can you imagine it literally tracked the stars? First cars, they were literally tough to drive. You had to smash the heavy metal levers together. It sounded like crunch. Then in 1940, scientists invented the automatic car. No extra pedals, no crunching, just put in the drive and zoom! Why do even car needs gears? Think about a bicycle. When you climb up a step uphill, you want a big gears, extra pedals, that's torque. But when you go on a flat road, you need a small gear. Still you go fast. The cars do the exact same thing. Today in our cars, there are 3 gears. First is manual. Manual is an old school look. Drivers have to shift the gears every time. Your leg gets tired in traffic. But I know some car lovers love to drive manual because it gives control over engine and power. The second one is AMT, automatic manual transmission. It is neither automatic, it is neither manual. Company just save the cost of this manual and automatic. AMT is convenient but is not fast than our automatic cars. As soon as you press the pedal, you will realize the turbo lag. At times it is difficult when you need to do the quick overtake. The third option is fully automatic gears. First option is which my Kia has, the torque converter gears. And the second option is the proper D30, which my Creta King 1.5 Turbo D30 has. These are the fastest gears. You will realize the performance and the speed. But it reduces the mileage little bit and the cost of maintenance is higher. So you decide if you want fun to drive and mileage and performance, go for manual. If you want mileage and convenience, go for AMT. If you want performance, fun to drive and convenience, go for D30 which my Creta has. Let me know in the comments which one do you like. Let me know if you loved this experience with me. If you loved it, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Share this video with your family and friends. This is us signing off from Murgani Park. Until then, wear seatbelts, enjoy the car ride. I will see you in the next video. Take care.